Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Nicole if you're new here, and today I'm gonna be doing a what I eat in a day. It is currently 7:30. I just got back from a Pilates workout class. I wanted to start off by letting you guys know that I am dairy and gluten-free. My diet is pretty much 80-20. I eat healthy 80% of the time. I love eating healthy. I love eating clean. It makes me feel good, light, healthy, and fresh. So I'm gonna be showing you guys everything that I eat today. So we're gonna go downstairs and I'm gonna start off by having my breakfast. Okay, so I just prepped everything for my smoothie. I like to put half a cucumber, a few stalks of celery, a little bit of ginger. I'm gonna do some organic frozen mango chunks. I like a good amount of mango. I put my banana. This is ashwagandha, spirulina, and turmeric. And I like to take about a teaspoon of each of these and then put it into my smoothie. I'm also gonna add, this is my new favorite coconut water. And I'm gonna add probably about half or a little less than half of this coconut water. And then I like to add some spinach as well. So it's a little bit later and I'm back in my kitchen right now because I had my smoothie, but it's full of fruits and vegetables and that doesn't really hold me over for that long. I like to have avocado toast and I get excited for my avocado toast the night before. I'm gonna show you guys how I make my avocado toast. I mean, this is pretty simple, but mine's delicious. I like to do 2 pieces of this bread and then you'll see. Gonna add a little bit of garlic powder, or a lot, some black pepper, a little bit of salt, and then I'm just gonna mash it up. I like my toast to get super crispy. This is the second part of my breakfast that I like to have. So this is the lunch I'm having right now. I am just having a salad with chicken on top. There's vegetables underneath, tomatoes, onions, carrots, celery, and a bunch of stuff. I added oil and vinegar on top, and I'm just gonna have this right now. Sometimes I'll add avocado, but today I wanted something super light. It's 2:55, and I'm eating pretty late lunch, but that's just because I wasn't that hungry. Sometimes I'll make something a little bit heavier for lunch, such as some vegan pasta or something with carbs, but honestly, I feel like over the holidays, I ate a lot of carbs and I ate a lot of food in general. So I'm just trying to lean out a little bit right now. And when I am trying to lean out, I try to stick to having salads for lunch. I have personally noticed that that really works with my body when I'm trying to lean out. So I guess you could say that this is kind of like a what I eat in a day if you're trying to lean out, trying to lose a little bit of weight, burn some fat. I'm gonna eat my salad now. I just wanted to tell you guys that because obviously everyone's diet is different and things work for some people that don't work for others, but that's why I wanted to let you guys know why I'm eating a salad and what my full day of eating is for. So I just got back from Starbucks and I forgot to bring my camera with me, but I wanted to show you guys what I get as my coffee every day. I get a grande cold brew black. I don't like to add any milk or sweeteners or anything like that into it. This is my second coffee of the day. I usually get 2 coffees a day. So I really like to snack on these, and these are the rosemary and sea salt crackers by Simple Mills. Simple Mills has pretty clean ingredients in their crackers, and they also have cookies and stuff that are really good, so I recommend these. And then I'm also snacking on carrots. I'm going to run to Whole Foods right now, get some ingredients that I need for dinner, and then I'm gonna come back, cook everything, show you guys how I make everything, and then that'll be the end of my day. So I just got home from Whole Foods, and I'm about to start making dinner. It's currently like 6:45, but I'm gonna be making some beef tacos tonight. I have some organic ground beef in here. These are the taco shells I like to use. They're the brand Siete. These are also a super clean brand. I was looking for the ingredients. And then I'm gonna be using this Southwest taco seasoning. The ingredients are pretty clean in this as well. There's no sugar or anything, and it's mainly just spices. But I'm gonna start cooking now and I'll show you guys everything that I do. As I told you guys, I am gonna be making tacos tonight. It's Taco Tuesday. I'm gonna start off by making the rice, and this is my favorite rice. I obviously get it at Whole Foods because it's Whole Foods brand, and I like to use avocado oil. So I'm just gonna let this cook for a little bit longer until it starts to actually get cooked, and then I'll show you guys how I'm gonna season everything. Finished cooking the peppers, and I sauteed some onions as well because I like to add some onions on my tacos. I just finished having my dinner, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. This is everything that I eat in a day for the most part. I hope that this was helpful to anybody that was looking for some clean, healthy, easy recipes and stuff to eat in a day to stay in shape or just be healthy in general. If you guys want me to do any other kinds of videos like this, any other health tips or workout videos, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below. My Instagram is Nicole DeLeo, but it is always linked in the description. If you guys want to check it out, you can hit the link down below. I'll see you in my next video.